front level, back level, latch, square shaft, latch holder, door frame plate, screws, keys. Install these two poles in black of front level. Insert the square shaft to the bottom of the handle hole. This is a wrong indication. The square hole must be horizontal. This is a correct indication. If the latch hole is centered in the door hole, no adjustment is requirement. If latch hole are not centered, adjust latch. Must hog the latch in front of door hole, with the latch face flush again the door edge. Hog the latch in front of door hole, fix latch with screws. Install front level and please make sure cable through square shaft hole. Unscrew the battery holder cover. Install black level. Fix black level with screws. Install 4 PC's AAA batteries in battery holder. Batteries is not included in lock. Connect wire connector. Fix the battery holder cover. Install latch holder, door frame plate if necessary.